Yes, the program that we offer today is part of the Every Step of the Way program. It's a part of the Fire and Rescue Department. I'm one of 4 life safety educators. We visit preschools, public and private, throughout the county to provide fire and life safety education. We also provide education for older adults as well. We want them very much to know what to do if there is a fire. We want them to know, even from a young age, what to do if they encounter fire tools. We want to teach them that firefighters are community helpers and they're friends and heroes. All those messages are truly life-saving. For the preschool audience, it's a really effective way of delivering important messages. For preschoolers with their attention span being close to 10 or 15 minutes, we're able to come in with the puppets and in a fun way teach and reinforce the lighters and matches safety, teach and reinforce about the firefighters as friends and community helpers and heroes. The long-term benefit of teaching lessons from an early or any age is essentially preventing the 911 call. From the Fire and Rescue Department, it's very important to us to be able to do that. And our program, called Every Step of the Way, starts from the young and teaches the elderly all of the tools and gives them the skills that they need to essentially prevent 911 calls.